This video explains how to buy shares of Home Federal Bancorp, Inc. of Louisiana, ticker HFBL. Home Federal Bancorp is a local community bank in Louisiana listed on NASDAQ. This is an educational walkthrough, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker HFBL to find the listing. Confirm you select the Home Federal Bancorp, Inc. of Louisiana entry in the search results. On the company page, check the basic company information and view the price chart to confirm it is the correct stock. Verify the name, market NASDAQ, and the HFBL ticker before proceeding. To buy, choose Invest or Buy and enter the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled or executed when markets reopen. If you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add funds before confirming. Your new position will appear in the portfolio or holdings list once the order is executed. For the example link and more information, check the description below.